Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited that you guys are here today. As always, as you can see by the title, I am finally getting another hair video out there. I can't even remember if I have more than one. Like, I know I have the 10 or, I can't even remember if it's 10 or 15 hairstyles. That's how long ago it's been. But I really wanted to give you guys a hair video that kind of was like based around the season. So I thought I would do like a hairstyle that would look really good with like a winter hat or like a beanie, or like it can be totally incorporated into fall looks, because I mean it still technically kind of is fall, but I feel like I'm one of those people that kind of skips straight from Halloween to Christmas. So like I don't even really understand what season it is right now. I think it's still fall. So I'm gonna, in the title as you can see, I'm gonna title this like fall slash winter hairstyle. So yeah, it's gonna be super easy, probably only take you less than 15 minutes, and it'll be a super cute hairstyle and give you just something a little bit more unique, so that you're not always wearing the same exact thing, not always just curling your hair, not always just straightening your hair, not throwing it in a bun, just something different. So yeah, I hope before we get started here, you guys will subscribe to my channel, and at the end, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a like. But yeah, besides that, let's get started. So as you guys can see, right now my hair is parted down the side, but for this look, it's gonna involve pigtails. Don't exit out of the video so far. It's not just gonna be plain, just pigtails, which I still think would look cute. I think they're in, but we're gonna snazz up the pigtails. But anyways, you want the same equal amount to be on each side of your head. So if you do have your hair parted down the side, I mean, you could still pull it and make it equal, but just so that it all looks cohesive and in the back it still looks parted down the middle, I'm just going to take a comb and take it on the pointy side, and I'm not going to get it perfect at all on the top, because like I said, we are going to be putting a hat on. So yeah, I'm just gonna willy-nilly go in there and just pull it straight back until the bottom of my head, and then just separate it of what is on each side of the comb. And obviously, if you have your hair parted down the side for a while, it's not gonna look right if you have it parted down the middle, and it's gonna kind of look lopsided on one side. But again, there's a hat on, so that doesn't matter. Now I'm just gonna go through and, oh my, it's more tangled than I thought. Brush out my hair. Wow. So yeah, the next step is just, and you can do this before you part your hair too, because if your hair is as tangled as mine, you might have to brush it first. But I'm just gonna brush through it all. Alright, so now that I have it in the two sections that I want for the look, I need to actually put it into the pigtails before we add the rest of it, just to start off the look. And to do that, I do not use ponytails. Unless I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail or in a bun, I don't use ponytails. I only use rubber bands. Right now I have black ones. I do have blonde in the bottoms of my hair, as you can see, so I could go for clear rubber bands too. Either one works. So I'm just going to take the first one, and hopefully I got the biggest ones I had left for this first part, because it is like tying off a pretty big solid chunk of my hair. And we don't need to get this super tight. Like, we want it to look a little bit messy. Like, this is just a casual fall winterish hairstyle that you can wear if you're wearing leggings and a sweatshirt, or if you want to wear it with a dressy outfit or a sweater, that's okay too. Like, I honestly think this would be really cute with just real loungewear material. So I have the first one right here, as you can see, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. And just a little tip after doing that step, I didn't break a rubber band, but just be careful with those little rubber bands. Just be fragile with them. Don't tug them too hard, because they do break really, really easily. So as you can see, you could leave it like this if you wanted to and literally throw a hat on and call it a day. But we're going to make it a little bit more fun, like I said. So the next thing I'm going to do, I grabbed 2 more rubber bands. And I'm gonna go about 2 to 3 inches. This is kind of a tight one. 2 to 3 inches down below the ponytail I already have, and put another ponytail there. Alright, so now as you can see, we have this little, I feel like I want to say the word tuft. We have this little tuft here. And we're gonna put a hole right in the middle of it with our fingers, pull it out a little bit, and take the hair, and I have a lot of hair, so this is gonna be harder on the first one, and pull it through this hole you just made. And then push these so that they look like they're all going straight forward. You can pull it out a little bit as you go, or pull them a little bit at the end. So now I'm just gonna go in and do that with my next rubber band. I'll kind of squeeze it, make another hole, and push all that hair through. This one's going a little bit messier. All right, so I'm going to do that one more time, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side, and then we're gonna do a little something extra to the ends. You don't wanna, if you're gonna pull it out a little bit to make it look a little messier and a little bigger, don't pull too hard. You don't wanna be pulling all the hair out and then have loose hairs that look weird. Just wanna be gentle when you're pulling on it. All right, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side, and then we will finish with the bottom and put the hat on. You wanna try to like make them look even, and they don't have to look the exact same obviously, but you wanna try to like make the rubber bands kind of at the same point so that it doesn't look all lopsided. So now I grabbed my brush like this. It's my teasing brush. That other one you could use for a teasing comb. This one I use as my teasing brush, and I'm just going to brush a little bit upwards, not going crazy, like literally very lightly. I like it looking a little bit messy. If you don't want it to look messy, you don't have to, but I like it to look a little bit messier. So I just literally just kind of comb upwards, making it look like I did this 2 days ago. I slept in it. Don't want to mess it up, so just be careful, but slightly pull at it so that hairs kind of come loose. All right, so after this, you can either leave the bottoms of the hair as they are, or how I'm gonna do it in the tutorial is I'm going to just give the bottoms a little bit of a curl. So just for this part, I moved the camera down just a little bit so that you can see the ends of my hair better, because my hair is pretty long. But yeah, I'm just gonna grab my curling iron. Whoops, already almost burnt myself. I burn myself legitimately constantly. And I'm just gonna do it in 2 separate sections, curling it, and in 2 different directions. So the first one, because it's from the front, I'm gonna curl it like it's going outwards, that direction. Just moving it a little bit, not holding it on there long. I just want it to have a little bit of a flip to it. And then I'm gonna take the other side and obviously go in the other direction. So as you can see, this side, I went with the curling iron going that way, and now the one I'm doing now, I turned the curling iron over so that I could curl this piece inwards. Alright, so you just obviously have to run your fingers through them a bit to make them not look super perfect and just a little bit messier and just put together. Alrighty, and then last but not least comes the wintry or fall part, is the hat. So you could do this on a daily basis if you wanted to not wear a hat with it. I think it looks a little weird up in here without a hat on it. That's just me and my face. But yeah, so this is the hat that I picked out. I got it from Maurice's a couple years ago. So like obviously, like I was saying, this looks more like a winter hat than a fall hat. So if you want a fall hat, just get a different color: greens, yellows, oranges. All right, and then I'm going to actually take this brush that we were using and try to pull out a little piece here without messing up the rest of the hair. And I'm gonna take my curling iron and I'm gonna use it as a wand. And then I'll run my fingers through it in a second. those pieces still look curlier than I was wanting. Let me just kind of do them here. Alright you guys, so this is it. I moved the camera back so that you could see the whole thing together. Now that I can see myself in the mirror kind of in front of me better, I love this hairstyle, like, and it's snowing outside. I wish that I had somewhere to go. This always happens. I love how it looks, but I have nowhere to go. Maybe I should just go roll around out in the snow by myself in the dark. Or not. But I'm definitely gonna have to recreate this style like all winter. I mean, and I was going through and explaining step by step to you guys, so the video took a little bit longer, obviously, to do when you're making a video out of it. But seriously, doing this on just a regular hair day, you don't have to curl the rest of it, you don't have to straighten it. Like, literally, it takes no heat. You don't even have to curl the ends if you don't want to, or these pieces. But I just did that for a little extra flair. Like, this look is pretty extra, and I really, really love it. And so I just think it's a really, really great hairstyle to just do something new and not your usual stuff, and not wear your hair down. Just do something fun with it. Every once in a while, when I have time, I do really like to do fun stuff with my hair, and I wish that I had more time and got up earlier so that I could do stuff like this to my hair every day. But yeah, I seriously love how this look turned out, especially when we pulled this hair down. I had to finagle it a little bit with a curling iron to get the curl to look exactly how I wanted, but besides that, it's the perfect look, exactly what I was going for. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more short tutorials like this on just creative hairstyles to do in the winter, or just creative hairstyles to do in general, like I want to do the perfect going out hairstyle video sometime. So if you want to see anything like that, please let me know in the comments down below. And again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys will hear from me again before then, but if you don't, I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving, and yeah, just a great holiday season. Spend time with your family, spend time with your friends. Seriously, with everything crazy going on in this world right now, we need to spend as much time with our loved ones as we can. I know some of us are introverts and we like to be by ourselves, but seriously, you never know when it's your last day, honestly, as dark as that sounds. So just live your life to the fullest, and yeah, just have a great day. Thank you guys. Bye.